There's something so comforting about chicken stew served with ugali. Hello, food lovers. Today I'm making a simple and delicious chicken stew using fresh ingredients and serving it with hot ugali. Let's get cooking. We're going to start off by boiling our chicken until tender and keep some broth for later. We'll be using this pan, it already has oil in it, and now we're going to add in our chicken. We're going to let our chicken pieces cook until slightly golden. So we'll be turning and doing a little bit of turning. Now we're going to go in with our chopped onions and we're going to let it cook until soft and fragrant. And now we are going to go in with our chopped hoho. And now we're going to add in our blended tomatoes and let everything cook until the sauce thickens. And now we're going to go in with our chicken broth. And now we're going to go in with our Royco and we are going to mix everything together. We're going to let it simmer for a few minutes so that all the flavors can combine beautifully. And our chicken is ready. Look at that. And now we are going to prepare ugali. As I always say, everyone has a way they prepare their ugali. So we are going to start up by bringing our water to boil, and then we're going to gradually add maize flour while stirring continuously. And of course, you're going to keep mixing until the ugali becomes firm and smooth. And our ugali is ready. And this is our delicious chicken stew served with hot ugali. Simple, hearty, and full of flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple home cooking recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye, food lovers. See you in the next one.